Hi! Today, we're going to learn about the regulation of the cell cycle. Internal and external factors regulates cell division. External factors includes physical and chemical signals. It happens outside the cells, such as interaction with other cells and parts of the body. An example of an external factors are cell-to-cell contacts. Once it touches, it cannot divide anymore, for some reason. Many cells releases chemical signals to tell others to grow or how to react. Growth factors are proteins that stimulates cell division. Growth factors are broad groups of proteins that stimulates growth. It binds to receptors that activate specific genes to grow. Cells grows and divides in response in a combination of different cell growth factors. Most mammal cells form a single layer in a culture dish and stop dividing once they touch other cells. Two of the most important internal factors are kinases and cyclines. Wait, Um, internal factors. When external factors bind to receptors, they can trigger internal factors that affects the cell cycle. Um, kinesis. Ah, Kinesis. It is an enzyme that transfers a phosphate group from one molecule to a specific target molecule. It increases energy and shape. And cyclin. It is a group of proteins that oh, just wait, guys. No, what happened? That are rapidly made and destroyed at a certain point in the cell cycle. Yeah. Apoptosis. Apoptosis is a programmed cell death. Um, it occurs when internal and external signals activate genes that help produce self-destructive enzymes. So it's like a um destructive process. So basically, we have the nucleus shrinking and breaks apart, and the cell is recognized by specialized cells in the immune system. Occurs in the development of infants. Here we can see a baby in the embryo having a webbed finger and webbed toes. As um as apoptosis occurred, we can now see that the baby having given birth by the mother, we can see separate fingers, not webbed anymore. Cell division is uncontrolled in cancer. Cancer Cancer is a common name sorry, that was my sister. The common name for a class of disease characterized by uncontrolled cell division. It arises when regulation of cell cycle breaks down. So basically, cancer just keeps on dividing no matter what. Cancer cells forms disorganized clumps called tumor. We have two types of tumors. Well, basically, major types. We have the benign tumor, which is typically clustered together, may be harmless, and may be cured by removal. That's a good thing if you have cancer. Because if you have a benign tumor, you can just take up that part of your body through surgical process and and can recover from cancer. Malignant malignant tumors are metastasized or break away and can form more tumors, which is really deadly. It is a tumor in which cells break away and spread to other parts of the body, causing harm to the organism's health. Metastasize. The meaning of that word is to spread by transferring a disease-causing agent from the site of the disease to other parts of the body. It happens in the bloodstream and lymph and is difficult to remove. Cancer cells make cells lose function like no for example, if your lungs have cancer, the lungs will lose its major function which is to produce oxygen for our body for us to breathe. If we have lung cancer, we will have a very hard time to breathe, and yeah. Carcinogens are substances known to promote cancer. Um, like we have radiation and we have cigarettes and stuff. Treatments include radiation and chemotherapy. Oh, I'm sorry. Chemotherapy. Radiation is just a local target uh, in the body, while chemotherapy are synthetic drugs that travels throughout the entire body. And that's it. Yeah. Thank you.